Hey guys, I am so excited to make this video for you today. I want to be sure you can see everything on my screen. Okay, so what I decided to do from now to the end of school is our librarian, Miss McCombs, is helping me choose books that we think would be interesting to y'all. And we're going to preview them and maybe read a little bit of each of them so that you can get a little taste and see if there's any you want to read. So I'm very excited about this first one because this one is an interactive book. So let me tell you what that means. After you read some of it, you get to make a choice about which direction the story is going to take. So you know what? Let's just start reading and see what I'm talking about. This is called Hansel and Gretel, an interactive fairy tale adventure by Matt Doden, illustrated by Sabrina Miramon. Okay, if you're looking at the table of contents, it looks, if you just look at the page numbers like some of us like to do, it looks like the chapters are really long. But what it really is they're really short, and then you have to make a choice about which page to go to next. Let me show you. About your adventure. You are about to enter a world filled with magic, mystery, and candy. A world where your wildest dreams are within reach. And isn't it good to grab for your dreams? Maybe not. At least not in these tales. Whether you're a witch, an explorer on an uncharted planet, or a kid lost in a virtual world, some treats might be too good to be true. In this fairy tale, you control your fate. Chapter 1 sets the scene, then you choose which path to read. Follow the directions at the bottom of the page as you read the stories. The decisions you make will change your outcome. After you finish one path, go back and read the others for new perspectives and more adventures. Chapter 1, Too Much of a Good Thing. Gingerbread, candy, cakes, everywhere you look, you're surrounded by them. You find yourself in a wild and fantastic world, and it seems to be filled with delicious treats. Your mouth is watering. All you have to do is reach out and grab them. Of course, it's not as simple as that. Nothing comes without a price, and the price may be steep for these tasty treats, because for every move you make, someone is watching. Someone is waiting. The fire in the oven is stoked. As you look around, you can't help but wonder what is next on today's menu. A little voice inside your head keeps warning. Maybe it's you. You step forward and take a deep breath. The smell of sugar and flour fill the air. The time has come. It's time to make the choice that could alter the course of your life forever. So guys, that's where we're going to stop today. And how this book works is, instead of just turning the next page and go into chapter 2, look at this next page. You have to make a choice. If you want to experience the classic fairy tale of Hansel and Gretel from the witch's point of view, you would turn to page 11. If you want to blast into space with your brother for a futuristic twist on the tale, you would turn to page 47. And if you want to dive into the depths of a dark and dangerous virtual fairy tale world, you would turn to page 77. And that happens at the end of every chapter. You get to make a decision. I hope you enjoyed this book, and maybe you can check it out next year.